Please make sure that you watched part 1 of this video. This is the second part to finish it up. So we left off on problem number 6. So we have passed 30 minutes now, and we need to go a total of 45 minutes. So we need to think difference of time between 45 minutes and 30 minutes. So try and envision a clock and see that, or you can even just simply subtract. If you're not positive, that's totally fine. So 45 minus 30 means we are short 15 minutes. So we need to go an additional 15 minutes to pass a total of 45 minutes. And 15 minutes after 12 is 12:15. Now again, like I mentioned before, once you pass at 12 o'clock, you want to be thinking the AM or PM is switching. Okay, so we started AM, which is like our lunch time. So then once you hit noon, it's switching to PM. So our final time would be 12:15 PM. All right, the next one, how many minutes are there from 11:50 to 12:25? So this is where we start getting into ones that have some tricky times. This is where the timeline comes in and is super, super helpful. So we're gonna put our start time, 11:50. Computer's not working with me here today. All right, and then our end time is 12:25. So again, we passed 12 and they did the switch for us. So just keep that in mind. But this one, if we look, is asking us how many minutes. So they want to know how many minutes are there from 11:50 to 12:25. So take a look at your start time and think for a second, what is the hour that comes after 11:50? So I hope you came up with 12. So we're going to skip to 12 o'clock. And now we need to think from 11:50 to 12 o'clock, 10 minutes pass. Okay, and then again, always check in on that end time. Are we getting close? So we are. Our end time is 12:25 and we're at 12 o'clock. So that means we're going to skip to the end. Between 12 and 12:25, 25 minutes pass, and now we need to add up all of our time. So this is where we're then going back and adding our 10 minutes plus our 25 minutes to get a total of 35 minutes. So for Let's Practice Today, you are just doing these 4 problems. Most of them are pretty simple, but I would like to see a timeline for number 4. Okay, the other ones you should be able to do, 1, 2, and 3, you should be able to do without a timeline. Number 4, you must use a timeline, okay? And I am going to write a reminder so you don't forget to do a timeline for number 4. Once you're finished, as always, raise your hand on this page, and then you are doing your workbook, page 155, only numbers 1 through 6. So do not do the entire page on 155. You are only doing 1 through 6. Okay, so it's that first section, and then we will get to more of the timeline practice. But you've seen some practice with the timelines. You're going to do it for number 4, and then everything else you should be okay with no timelines for now. But if you want to use them to start getting comfortable with it, that would be awesome too. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you need any help.